Hello there and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through two super quick and easy methods to update Automatic1111. The first method is a manual update method for those of you that may not want to automatically update to the latest version of Automatic1111 whenever a new version is released. The second method is the automatic update method, which will automatically update Automatic1111 every time you launch it. This is the method that I personally use and is an easy set and forget method. I'll be updating Automatic1111 locally on my Windows PC. So let's crack on. Let's start with the manual update method. Open File Explorer and navigate to your stable Diffusion Web UI folder that was created when you installed Automatic1111 originally. I installed Automatic1111 in my E drive and in a folder named Automatic1111. Double-click to open the stable Diffusion Web UI folder. Once you're in that specific folder, you should be able to see all these Automatic1111 folders and files. If you can see these, then you know you're in the right location. Click into the File Explorer address bar and type in CMD and press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. At the prompt, type in git, then a space, then pull, and press Enter. Automatic1111 will now update. I already have the latest version of Automatic1111, so there's nothing to download and update. When the update has finished, the command prompt window will return to the starting prompt state. You can now close the command prompt window. That's it. Automatic1111 has now been updated manually. Let's move on to the automatic update method. This is the one that I use and prefer. Open File Explorer and navigate to your stable Diffusion Web UI folder. Double-click to open this folder. Scroll down towards the end of the list of folders and files and locate the WebUI user.bat file. This is the same file that you double-click to launch Automatic1111. I'm going to edit this file. Right-click on this file and select Edit in Notepad. In the empty line between the last two commands, type git, then a space, then pull. Save the file. That's it. Now every time you launch Automatic1111, it'll check for updates and automatically update to the latest version. Now you know how to update Automatic1111 using both the manual and automatic methods. Both are nice and easy. Just pick the one that suits you. Anyway, hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.